Hi, this is Snehal with Outdoo. In this video, we'll be creating a roleplay agent in chat mode. To do that, you can click on Create Roleplay Agent in your home screen or go to the Roleplay Agent page and then click on Create Roleplay Agent. Let's select Create Single Agent. We'll just select the existing prompt, the default prompt that we have. You can, of course, go ahead and create a role play agent from an existing call or a LinkedIn profile or a transcript, right? So let's just select the scenario that they are aware of the problem. Once you have done that, you can see that the role play agent is created. One thing you have to change over here is the call type. So the default call type that we have is the voice mode. You just need to change that to the chat mode and you're ready. So chat mode essentially is great if you are building role play agents for customer success and customer support use case. You can, of course, go ahead and change various fields and configure the role play agent as per your requirement. This we also have a fine tuning agent, right, where you can just give an instruction that make the agent open up slowly or add an objection around no budget for this quarter and so on, and it will automatically configure the fields for you and just help you to iterate the role play agent in seconds. So once your agent is ready, you can just go ahead and publish. And that's it. It would just take a few seconds and the role play agent will be ready. You can then share it with your team. You can add it to a course or a call blitz and share it over LMS. Sure. Thank you.